Today, we will be comparing a $60 Amazon RV awning to one of our high-quality RV awnings. Let's get to it. First, we do recommend doing your homework. We feel confident you will like what we have to offer, from our material, our double stitching, to our customer service. A lot of these awnings on Amazon are the same awnings coming from the same place. So our pro tip to save time is, once you've researched one, you've researched them all. Once we received the Amazon awning, the first thing we noticed was the packaging was tiny and it weighed less than 10 pounds. As we carefully open the package, you can see that it is folded multiple times and comes with some makeshift universal instructions that has a quick overview on how to install this awning. After removing and unfolding and unfolding and unfolding, you can tell immediately that the material is not as advertised. The package claimed to be an 18-ounce heavy-duty vinyl, and after seeing and handling it, we can tell that it is a laminated plastic and probably comparable to an 8-ounce material. We also noticed that all three beading sizes were the same. This can be a problem as the beading size that attaches to the fabric to the roller tube is 3/16, and the coach size attachment needs to be 1/4. So this will not work for 99% of coaches. They gave us a glue method for securing the attached beading to the coach, and that is great for rainy situations. However, in hot sunny environments, the glue will loosen and fail. However, being a laminated product, you do have to fold over the sides of the material in order to prevent the material from separating or ripping, as we were impressed at the fact that it was double stitched. On closer inspection, being impressed falls short due to the fact that the stitching is clearly cotton and will be prone to failure within just a year or two. Now let's take a look at our American-made 10-foot replacement awning and see how it compares. First off, our 18-ounce material is 2.5 times heavier and requires a much larger box to ensure safe shipping, and we don't need to ship it on a large boat to get it to you. Here you can see a tough top awning out of the box. And see our material unfold. Remember what that Amazon RV material looked like? You can see we don't use the glue technique for any attachments with our awnings, and yes, we have two different sizes of beading for the correct attachment points on both the coach and the roller tube. A much cleaner look and a far superior material made here right in the USA. We hope this helps you save time and effort when selecting your next RV replacement awning. Thanks for watching. To learn more about us and our product line, please visit us at www.toughtopawnings.com.